Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn how can we get verified on our Twitter account. Let's get started. Make sure that you watch this video until the very end. Let's open your Twitter account. I am on my Twitter account inbox. Basically, I have to go in with the Chrome browser or any browser that you have in your mobile phone. Here you have to search help.twitter.com, where you will find about Twitter Blue. Basically, the account that you have to get verified, the Twitter Blue account. Their Twitter Blue is an opt-in paid subscription that adds a blue check mark to your account and offer easily access to success feature and so on. I am going to scroll down where I find which of the countries and what amount they cost for the Twitter Blue verification. Then it includes United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. If you want to get verified your Twitter Blue account, then make sure that you have an updated version of the Twitter account. Then go back at your Twitter account, click on your profile pic at the top left corner of the page. You will find here the different options, including somewhere the option of the Twitter Blue subscription, but unfortunately I don't have the option as I don't live in any of those countries that are listed. If you have an updated version of the Twitter account, then you will find here the Twitter Blue subscription button. But basically what you have to do, you have to click on the Twitter Blue subscription button, then you will subscribe the Twitter Blue, and that's the way that you get verified at your Twitter account. So that's all for today. I hope you like the video. Give this video thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such informative videos. See you again in the next video. Thank you so much.